everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute hand warmer. Make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 29 chains. Measure this chain under your wrist. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over. Go to this chain. Bring yarn. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Make 1 double crochet. Yarn over. Go to next chain. Bring yarn. Yarn over. Pull through. Pull through. Yarn over. Go to next chain. Bring yarn. Pull through. Pull through. Make 1 double crochet in each chain. Make 1 double crochet in each chain. After this row, measure this work on your hand for left hand. This is for left hand. Marked this stitch for crochet braid. This stitch for right hand. Repeat this. Measure this work on your hand. Like this, and mark this stitch for crochet braid. Make 3 chains. Turn it. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch until marked stitch. Make 1 double crochet in marked stitch. In this stitch, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 chains. Yarn over. Go to next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in next stitch and make 1 double crochet in each stitch, like it. Go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 3 chains, one double crochet in each stitch until here, until this stitch, one double crochet, one double crochet in this stitch, go to this hole, make 15 single crochet, single crochet, yarn over, go to this stitch and make one double crochet in each stitch, go to last stitch, make one double crochet, make 3 chains, turn it, make one double crochet in each stitch, make 12 chains, and make one double crochet, pull through, pull through, make one double crochet in each stitch, one double crochet in last stitch, 3 chains, one double crochet in each stitch, go to this hole and make 15 single crochet, and continue. Now we have 1 2 3 4 11 stitch in this side, 18 stitches in this side. In total we have 30 stitches. In this row, make 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it, 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch from here. Skip it, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch. One double crochet until here. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. In this stitch, go to these 3 stitches. Insert your hook into this stitch, bring yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, bring yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, bring yarn, pull through, yarn over, go to next stitch, make double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. For thumb, in this stitch, marked and mark this stitch. Join these sides from back, fold it, slip a stitch and join sides together.